Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the progress bar and how to set its value dynamically as the user fills the form. In the example form you see on the screen, as the user fills his details, the progress bar changes accordingly. Okay? Each time the user fills a field, the progress bar goes up in 25%, and when he finishes all, the bar will show 100. Okay? Now let's go to the form builder and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, we have a simple form here with 4 elements: first name, last name, mobile, and email. Now let's add the progress bar and see how to change its values. Okay, let's make it wide and nice. Let's set its default value to 0 and the maximum will be 100. Okay, now all we have to do is start creating conditions on the fields. Let's start. Okay, if first name is not empty, then go to the progress bar and set its value. Okay, let's set the value and put here plus 25. This is how you work with the progress bar. You should put plus or minus before the number you want to change. Okay, if you want to add 25, just put plus. If you want to subtract, put minus. Let's apply. You don't need the opposite here. And let's do the same for the other. Okay, if the field is not empty, then let's go to the progress bar, set the value plus 25 and remove the opposite and apply. Let's do the same for mobile and then email. Okay, if it is not empty, let's go to the progress bar, set the value as before plus 25. Let's remove and let's go to the last one, email, set not empty, and progress bar, set value plus 25. Okay, this is it basically. Oh, I forgot to remove the opposite. Okay, now let's publish and see. Okay, the bar starts from 0. As I fill my first name, it goes to 25. My last name goes to 50. My mobile is 75, and the email, of course, would be 100. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, this is very easy. Thank you very much.